Hello, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how I can do a selections of a table and store that selection as a new table in a geodatabase. Now we are looking at selections of the C-shapes dataset, all the countries with boundaries as they were in 1980. And also I launched in this ArcMap view a table, but of course since this is a table without spatial features, it is not visible in the map, but it can be visible from the table of content if I activate this tab here, and we will see that we both have here added a C-shaped subset and a table called PolityScore, and they are both in the same geodatabase called thematic mapping. Now we could also have a look at this table by opening it, and here we have a column or an attribute called year, and this is from 1946 and up to I think 2008 or longer. So now I'm going to select these records or rows in this table having the year 1980. I'll do that from a tool in the Arc toolbox shown here on the right. This can be activated from this button here. So this toggle this on and off, but here it's already on. And under the Analysis tool, under Extract, there is a tool called Table Select, which works very well on tables. So double click on it to start it. Input table. Since the table already is in the table of content, I will find it from the drop down menu here. I select it. And then I need to set the output of it. So I can browse to the place where I want to store this resulting table, and I open the geodatabase and I call it PolityScore for 1980. The next thing I need to do, the third parameters which needs to be set, is the expression. That's the SQL expression I need to formalize, and then we remember that it was a column or an attribute called year, and this should equal 1980. So now I formulated the expression I want, and I can close the query builder and the expression appears here. So now it's been ready to be run, and this will then evaluate all the records in the table, and if it fulfills this expression here, those rows will be written to a new table called PolityScores 1980 and saved in the same geodatabase. I click OK to run the tool. This goes rather quickly, and the output comes up in the table of content. Now we have 144 rows here, so there are some missing countries, which also is here visible that they don't have any value for the polity index. If we compare that with the numbers of countries in the C-shapes dataset, we have 166. So we would expect to have several missing values if we join the table to the C-shaped dataset, but that is to be shown in a different video.